Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 500 amp 9 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Take a look at the inside here. It is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Overall dimensions 22 inches long by 15 inches wide by 8 inches high. It is a filtered unit. Got the filter right there on the left hand side. And we'll close it up here. Take a look at the touchpad controls. And we'll start it up here so you can see and hear it go. See the volts and the current rising. Take a look at the oscilloscope here. 0 ripple. And take a look at the nameplate. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.